Did you know that foods that you eat can play ugh, a powerful role in detoxifying your body and boosting your immune system? Today, we are diving into how plant-based diet can support your body's natural detox processes and strengthen your immune defenses. Welcome back to day 46 of our Proven Cancer Strategies Revealed 90 Days to Cancer Resilience series. I can't believe we're at the halfway point and starting on the second half. Wow. I'm Debbie Sadify, and today's focus is on detoxifying your diet through plant-based foods. We're going to explore specific foods that will not only help cleanse your body, but also protect and enhance your immune function. So let's get started. We're going to start with the power of cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and kale are rich in compounds that support detoxification. These veggies contain, I'm going to try and say it right, glucosiolates, wow, which help the liver process and eliminate toxins from the body. Now, sulforaphane is a very specific type of glucosinolate. It's found in high concentrations in these cruciferous vegetables, particularly in broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and cabbage. And when these vegetables are chopped or chewed, an enzyme called myronolase is activated, which converts glucophorphane, a type of glucosinolate, into sulforaphane. Now that is a mouthful. And the sulforaphane is well known for its potent antioxidant and detoxifying properties, making it beneficial for supporting the body's natural detoxification processes and protecting against cell damage. Now, for example, broccoli sprouts are particularly potent. They provide sulforaphane at 50 to 100 times what mature broccoli does. And this makes them incredibly potent source for this powerful antioxidant and detoxifier. Including broccoli sprouts in your diet can significantly boost your body's ability to detoxify and protect against cellular damage, providing even greater health benefits compared to regular broccoli. And this makes them a particularly valuable addition to any detox focused diet. And for optimal health, a common recommendation is to consume about a quarter to half a cup of broccoli sprouts per day. This amount provides a significant dose of sulforaphane, which is that potent compound for antioxidant and detoxifying that we've been talking about. Now, your individual needs may vary, so it's a good idea to start with this range in mind, but adjust based on your personal health goals and dietary needs. Now, you can also have broccoli sprouts dried, which makes them which may change the concentration depending on the drying process. And you can buy dried broccoli sprouts online, and to make and just as because they're not fresh and they're already dried, you'll want to adjust your amount that you consume. So if you're going to do dried broccoli sprouts, you could do a tablespoon compared to about a quarter cup of fresh broccoli sprouts. But these are just the guidelines, and you can actually put the dried broccoli sprouts into a smoothie, onto a salad, or you can sprinkle it on other meals to incorporate them into your diet. Our second food that we're going to talk about is garlic. It is nature's detoxifier. Garlic is another powerhouse for detoxification. It contains sulfur compounds that activate the liver enzymes responsible for flushing out toxins. And garlic is also known as a antibacterial, antiviral, and anti-inflammatory food. And it is a key player in our immune system. As a matter of fact, if you're feeling a little bit under the weather, you can just chop up a clove of garlic and swallow that chase it with a glass of water, and that will help immensely. And you can incorporate raw or lightly cooked broccoli or garlic into your meals to give your body that detoxifying boost while adding lots of flavor. And when garlic is chopped, crushed, or minced, it triggers the release of an enzyme called allanase, which converts allan, which is a sulfur containing compound, into allicin. And allicin is that compound responsible for garlic's potent health benefits, including its antibacterial, antiviral, and anti inflammatory properties. So, if you want to maximize the potency of allicin for your and get those benefits when you're having garlic, you want to make sure that you chop your garlic or mince it and let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes before you use it, uh, whether it's in cooking or in a sauce or whatever you're doing. And this will allow the enzyme reaction to fully occur, which will make sure that you are getting the most out of the garlic's health promoting properties. Our third uh, um, food is citrus fruits for their vitamin C and antioxidants. Citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruit are packed with vitamin C, which is a powerful antioxidant that helps neutralize free radicals in the body. And free radicals are what can cause they're basically can damage our cells, weaken our immune system. So it's really important that we keep them in check. Vitamin C is also supporting the production of glutathione, which is the body's master antioxidant, and it plays a crucial role in detoxification. Glutathione is often referred to as our body's master antioxidant because of its critical role in detoxification, immune support, and protecting us against oxidative stress. And while the body naturally produces glutathione, factors like stress and poor diet can deplete its levels. That's why it's so important to try and manage our stress and to eat healthy. So, while citrus fruits are known for their vitamin C content, I want to let you know there are other foods that are even more potent sources of vitamin C. Our red and green bell peppers contain more vitamin C per serving than oranges do. Kiwi fruit is amazing. A single kiwi fruit can provide over 100% of your daily vitamin C needs. Strawberries are packed with vitamin C, and they also give us fiber and antioxidants. And we've already talked about broccoli before its role with sulforaphane, but it is also high in vitamin C and other nutrients. And papaya is a tropical fruit that's rich in vitamin C and also supports our digestive health. And I want to talk now about the role of antioxidants in our detoxification. Antioxidants are compounds that help to protect our cells from oxidative stress, which occurs when there's an imbalance between the free radicals and the antioxidants in our body. So, what does this mean? Oxidation is the basically in our body compared to rusting of metals. And just as metal deteriorates when it's exposed to oxygen and moisture, and I live in an area where we get lots of rust because of the moisture, um, our cells can undergo damage when they are exposed to oxidative stress. And this stress is caused by the free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can harm cells. They lead to aging, inflammation, and various diseases like cancer. Antioxidants, which are found in abundance in plant based foods, can act to protect the and neutralize us from these free radicals and prevent the cellular rust from happening. By including more antioxidant rich foods in your diet, you can help safeguard your body against oxidative damage. And foods like berries, green tea, and dark leafy greens are excellent sources of antioxidants. So, including a variety of these foods in your diet can help enhance your body's ability to detoxify. And we hear this every once in a while, and I've said this many times, eating the rainbow. This will help for maximum detox benefits. One of the best ways to ensure you are getting a wide variety of nutrients and antioxidants is by eating the rainbow. What does that mean? It means eating fruits and vegetables of different colors in your diet. Each color represents different phytonutrients that contribute to detoxification and immune support. For instance, red foods like tomatoes and strawberries are rich in lycopene, while orange foods like carrots and sweet potatoes provide beta carotene. So today I challenge you to incorporate at least one detoxifying food into each meal, whether it's a handful of berries for your breakfast or a serving of broccoli added to your lunch or a slice of lemon in your water. These small steps can help to make a big difference in supporting your body's natural detox process. And so I want to talk about maybe some of the questions that you may have and how on detoxifying in your diet and how plant-based foods can support your immune system. So the first thing is, can I get enough protein when I'm focused on a plant-based diet while still focusing on detoxifying foods? And the answer is absolutely. Many plant based foods like beans, lentils, quinoa, and nuts are rich in protein. Plus, these foods contain fiber and antioxidants, which support the detoxification and overall health. And we totally get enough protein from plant based foods. And how often should I eat cruciferous vegetables to see these detox benefits? So I would recommend including cruciferous vegetables in your diet at least 3 to 4 times a week. These veggies are powerful detoxifiers, and the regular consumption can help keep your liver and immune system in top shape. And are there specific foods to avoid when you're trying to detox? Well, to max to minimize its maximize detox, it's best to minimize the processed foods that you're taking in. That means added sugars, excess alcohol can be a burden on your liver and hinder detoxification. And actually, in my 21-day detox, we're actually making sure that we're eliminating those sugars from our diet altogether. And we want to focus on whole plant-based foods for the optimal results. All right. I'm just going to open it up, OJ, if you have any questions before we sign off.
Yeah, I have a question. You
Sure.
mentioned we could take garlic, we can take it, we can swallow it.
Yes.
And I want to say I've done that before, but I noticed that whenever I sweat, it has the smell of garlic. So I want to know, is it part of the detoxification? And when I pee, sometimes my pee smells garlic. So
Yeah.
I just want to know if that's part of the detoxification.
Yeah. So our skin is our biggest detox organ because our skin is our biggest organ that we have. And sweating is an important part of the detox process. And the garlic, if you've eaten like a raw garlic clove, that you're probably, yeah, that's probably why you're sweating it out. It's the same thing. I don't know if you've ever had put a lotion or something on and you can taste the lotion. It's coming from your skin absorbing it. And the same thing with, when you're urinating, your pee, it can actually have that same impact as well. And what I find, if you eat a lot of a certain food, yeah, it will, any extra you will pee out or you'll sweat out. So that, I guess, if you've got, that means you're getting enough garlic at that point in time. But I think it's a
That's
temporary thing, right?
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but I want to say it actually works. I think garlic clears the skin, get rid of acne and skin issues. It really does a lot of great job,
Yeah.
I can say, for real. It does
Yeah.
lots of great job.
It does. And
Yeah.
garlic, I mean, one of the reasons why we have acne is because of the bacteria on our skin is causing the acne. So if we are having some garlic, which is an antibacterial, that will help to with those uh, um, bacteria to get rid of them and help with our skin. It's definitely, if you have I'm not saying it's the only thing to do, but sometimes if you have a little infection starting or you're feeling a little sick, just chopping up a clove of garlic, waiting that 10 minutes, and then eating it can help. I've actually given it to my dogs too when they were under the weather. Not that
Oh
it
wow.
happens often, but yeah, it's a it's a good way to try and start. It may not cure everything, but it's a good start. And certainly, if you can do that over, taking antibiotics as a start, that's a good thing. But I also want to say that you if you have an infection or you have something, definitely make sure that you are seeking medical help and attention as well. Um, that would be important. But yeah, that's a good thing. Taking some garlic. Glad that you see the benefits of that. So I want to thank you for
Yeah.
joining us today on day 46 of our Proven Cancer Strategies Revealed series. And remember, detoxifying your diet with plant based foods is a powerful way to support your immune system and your overall health. If you found today's session helpful, please like the video or send us a comment. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel and share this video with someone who could benefit from the information. So stay tuned for more as we continue on our series and make sure you stay resilient.